Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lyasia and I'm back with another video. And today I will be sharing my top 5 deep conditioners. As a curly girl, we really need to deep condition our hair, so it's really important to find ones that gives you the most out of it and the most moisture and everything. So I'll stop running my mouth and let's just get right into the video. All right, right now, let's go. Roll. So the first deep conditioner that I have here is the Flawless by Gabirelle Union Hair Repair Mask. This is to repair, strengthen dry, damaged hair. It also has argan, avocado, and marula oils in it. It's a sulfate, paraben, gluten, and cruelty-free deep conditioner, and it's also color safe for all you ladies who color treat your hair. Now, the smell of this deep conditioner. Oh, it's slightly fruity, but more of a perfumey kind of scent, but not an overbearing one because I don't like those. It's probably one of my favorite scents in the product. Or maybe I shouldn't say that because now I'm not sure. Don't hold me to it. It's a lightweight consistency, but still very moisturizing and creamy. But to top it off and what makes it better, I like to use the oil treatment from the line, and this is to nourish and prevent breakage. It's for all hair types. It is so good. I just like to scoop the deep conditioner, do a few pumps of the oil, mix it together, and then just work that through my hair. Girl, when I say my hair feels like butter, go get your life and try this. So the next product I have may not come as a surprise to any of you. It is a Camille Rose product. You know, me and Camille Rose, we just gel together. There's no list of mine with any products that won't consist of at least one Camille Rose product, FYI. And if you know about this product or about their line, then you know what I mean. Like, it's just bomb. Anyway, so this is from the coconut water line, and it is a penetrating hair treatment. It has coconut water, It has coconut water, aloe vera juice, and tropical butters and oils to deeply penetrate and moisturize your hair. It really smells like coconut. Like, it just smells like coconut. And I'm always surprised when I like the smell of products that smell like coconut because I hate coconut. Like, I would never eat coconut. Ugh. Or drink the water, the milk, It really makes me think of tropical island on the beach, oiled up, looking bronzy and glowy and flourishing and just living your best life. That's what this smells like. It is a little thicker, creamier consistency. Your hair feels soft and hydrated from the moment you use it. I've tried the entire line, the leave-in conditioner, the style setter cream. They're all really, really good, really moisturizing products. So if you have extremely dry hair, definitely give this line a try because I think you would get that maximum moisture that you want, that you need. Go ahead, go get it. So my next 3 products, unfortunately, I don't have them here, so I will be referring to my phone so that I can read off the ingredients in them. The next one is the True by Made Beautiful Intense Treatment Mask. This is one that caught me off guard. I've seen it a few times. Let me give it a try. I'm so happy that I did. It is so good. It is a deep treatment mask to restore and repair dry, damaged hair. It does consist of shea butter and coconut. It also has a blend of honey and mango that provides ultimate moisture to restore dry, dull hair. And the smell of that one, it reminds me of Love Spell. It does. It reminds me of Love Spell, that scent. Go out, give it a try if you haven't. Great deep conditioner. So the next fave of mine is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Intensive Strengthening Mask. So bomb. This one is a really thick consistency, so if you like that, then it would definitely work for you. It has a Jamaican Black Castor Oil in it. It also has shea butter, which I see is a common ingredient in a lot of these, and it's probably why they are as hydrating as they are. When I was transitioning, I used this one a lot, and it is to strengthen and repair damaged, brittle, or chemically processed hair, and I think that's probably why I loved it while transitioning, because it works well with both textures. It smells good from what I remember. I can't really remember the scent that much. It's a thick consistency, very hydrating, and thumbs up. I can't say anything wrong about it. So try it if you haven't. And lastly is the Eaton Body Works Coconut Shea Hair Mask. Eaton Body Works has bomb products. This Coconut Shea Hair Mask is so thick and creamy and hydrating, and I was obsessed with it. Another product that I've used a lot to transform dry and brittle hair, and it's meant to moisturize, and that's exactly what it does. I believe it smells like your regular coconut, like a coconut water or something like that scent, and I just love how hydrating it is. It's just, it's so good. I need to go out and buy these over. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment below if you have a favorite deep conditioner that I have not listed here. Maybe I haven't tried it, or maybe I have, because I have a long list of favorites. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. But also, while I have you here, you might as well just go ahead and check out some more of my videos on my channel. If you are new and you're here now, you might as well stay. Right? But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you go out and try these products. I will see you guys at my next upload.